Today, I'm going to show you how to edit an invoice template in QuickBooks Online. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. Go to the top right corner and click the gear icon. Then, select Custom Form Styles. This opens the area where QuickBooks stores your invoice, estimate, and sales receipt templates. Find the invoice template you want to change. Then, click Edit. This opens the template editor. From here, you can customize the design, content, and email message connected to the invoice. In the design section, you can update your logo, change the color scheme, and choose a font. Next, go to the content section. Here, you can review and customize different parts of the invoice, including the header, product or service table, and footer. You can show or hide columns like quantity, rate, or SKU, depending on what you want customers to see. You can also rename certain labels, add custom fields, or include extra information like payment instructions or a thank you message. Next, review the email content section. Here, you can change the subject line and message customers receive when you email the invoice. As you make changes, check the preview to make sure the invoice looks the way you want. Once everything looks correct, click Save or Done. Your updated invoice template will now be available when you create future invoices. And that's how to edit an invoice template in QuickBooks Online in 2026.